Okay, so here we are in colors. If I am on my main page, you can find the colors for your website here under Design, Site Styles, Colors. Anytime you edit any colors here, it affects everything site-wide. You cannot just change the color of one button. It makes changes site-wide. So this palette here is put together. If we edit it, you have 5 main sections. So typically we have your lightest background color. That's called lightest 1. We have light 1, which is a secondary background color. Bright typically is your buttons. Dark is another color. Darkest is your text. So currently, you can see here, once I add these colors here, which you can just come in here and paste the new colors, it will adjust in your themes. So lightest 1 is this color. Lightest 2 is this color. Bright here, dark here, darkest is your text here. So if I decide to come in here, and I'm going to click on this, I can change the section background, or I can choose to change the background overlay. So if I wanted the background overlay, for example, to be dark on the lightest 1, then anytime I have a banner image, I have let's say an image, and this was an overlay in front of it, then it would get a dark background instead of the light background. Typically, you're not going to change these. But what you can do is change. So for example, each of these themes they're called section themes essentially. So each section theme, you can change the text, the links, the button, the overlay, the announcement bar, all of your image blocks and so on. You can change the color setting for anything on your website within these section themes. So if I have a section theme, for example, I'm on light 1. So this particular light 1 section theme is here. So if I wanted to change the heading 1 color in light 1, I can do that. See, right now it's only going to show me the button, but I'm going to go show all. So I can change the heading here to be the brown. And now you can see that I've changed the color. So that is only changing H1 within the light 1 section, whereas the lightest 1 section has not changed. We still have the heading 1 in the gold. So you can make specific changes to the colors with each section theme. So that's an option to do something like that. So if you're finding, you're like, I don't want this link in the dark 1 to be gold. So I'm going to show all. I'm in dark 1. I'm going to scroll until I find heading links. I'm going to be like, I want this to be, wait a minute, dark 1. Text link. So this is a text link. I want this, instead of gold, to be this off white color. So it changes it. So you can see that I made those changes just right here. And that's only affecting the section theme that I'm on. So this is affecting the dark 1 section theme across your entire website for this particular element. So that's basically how you would make changes to particular section themes. Just remember, it is a site-wide change, but only to the color theme and particular element that you're working on. So you can change your colors here, and you can change the elements within the color theme by diving in deeper on this section here. And don't forget to always save your work. kind of as you go along. So I'm going to discard the changes here, and that's it for that.